Access BrowseWiz via extension button or by pressing Command+B on Mac or Alt+B on Windows. Choose your preferred AI model. Explore powerful tools to elevate your AI research workflow. Start with enabling web search. Enable Fetch URL content to let the assistant analyze data directly from links. Ask AI to do a web research for you. It will work in the side panel while you keep on browsing. Expand tool use result to inspect it. Finally, you get a comprehensive report from a lot of different web sources.